Okay. So well, I have been learning this English language for 9 months ago,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm a village girl. I go to Hindi medium school, but I wanted to learn English since my childhood. Like whenever I used to watch English cartoons, so in that, like a small kid, mommy, give me this, give me that. So I wanted to also talk just like this with my parent, but what could I do? Means I had not environment, I had no one whom I could talk, and my parent could not understand English. And still, right now at my home, like my brother and my sister they can understand but they are unable to speak. I applied a lot of
Just given a very long answer. Okay, it was like that some teacher just teaching me something, and I was just acting as a student. I was just learning something. Okay, new words from your mouth. Okay, because yeah, because I don't use that kind of words like obstinate, instigate, and all. Right. In my future conversation, definitely I will try to use those words as well. Because that is how that communication works, right? Okay, when you hear something new, then you just catch that word, and that is how okay we even babies learn, right? They just hear something, they just catch that word, they grasp that word, and they try to imitate. Okay, they try to use those words into their communication. Spoken English is all about that only, right? Yeah, people just try to learn about this written communication, grammar, and everything. But in spoken communication, you don't need grammar and nothing you needed, right?
Can you see me right now?
Yeah, I can see you. It
Okay.
looks like that it's very cold there. Yeah. So, yeah, hello,
But
ma'am. Where are you from?
well, I'm connecting to you from Bihar.
Yeah. And what's your name?
Well, this is me, Rupa, and I'm connecting to you from Bihar. And right now, I'm a student of the class ninth. And in the future, I want to be a doctor in my life. Yeah, this is something about myself. Hope it was enough. And I'm so curious and ardent to know something about yourself. So please introduce yourself.
Oh, you are just using really heavy words. Okay. I'm not comfortable with all those kinds of words. Okay. I'm learning new from you, isn't it? Yeah. Actually, right now I'm just talking from Maharashtra state, and I'm working as a security guard here. And I'm just doing this job out of compulsion and trying to learn this language, trying to master this language so that I can just move to some other better job, right? And yeah, that is my short in introduction. So whenever I just get free time, I just try to upload videos on YouTube. I'm a new YouTuber. I have opened my channel okay, just 2 months back, and I have just uploaded a few videos because I'm just doing a 12-hour shift, and because of that, I don't get enough time, right? Because I get exhausted after just coming home. But whatever limited energy I have, okay, with that I just try to make videos because just making a video it's not enough, right? You have to edit your thumbnail, you have to edit your video, and then you have to upload, right?
Like, if you want to upload one video on the YouTube, so that will gonna take 1 hour. Like, first of all, make video, edit that, make
Yeah.
thumbnails, set all the thing, and then like do all the settings. So it will take time. I can understand because I'm also a YouTuber. So like, when I was new, so at the time it was very difficult for me because I was totally unaware about the thing, and I used to turmoil between that if I do any catch 22, then what will gonna happen. But yeah,
Mhm.
by doing it has become my habit.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, discipline and consistency is required, okay, to do all those things. But my problem is that I feel really sleepy, okay, because 12-hour shift, okay, just working, okay, it becomes really hard, okay, that you have to just stand, okay, for a lot, okay, throughout the day. And because of the body ache and all, right? So after just coming home, when I just have my food, okay, I have dinner, I just feel sleepy. I'm not able to just talk. I'm not into my senses at that point of time, and then just talking with people and people ask questions, you have to be alert, right, or to just answer those questions and all. Then I just record that video, and when I just try to edit, no, I just feel really sleepy. Sometimes I just go to sleep, okay, and on next day I just try to upload, or after a few days I just try to upload. That is what happens with me, right? So I would like to know that, okay, you are speaking really good English, right? So I would like to know about your English speaking journey, about your story, right? And it looks like you are having more energy, right? You are quite enthusiastic, Okay, you are really enthusiastic learner as well. I would like to know about your journey.
Okay. So well, I have been learning this English language for 9 months ago,
Hmm.
and I'm a village girl. I go to Hindi medium school, but I wanted to learn English since my childhood. Like whenever I used to watch English cartoons, so in that, like a small kid, "Mummy, give me this, give me that." So I wanted to also talk just like this with my parent, but what could I do? Means I had not involvement, I had no one whom I could talk, and my parent could not understand English. And still, right now at my home, like my brother and my sister, they can understand but they are unable to speak. I applied a lot of method to motivate them so that they could learn English, because as a elder sister it is my responsibility that I should make them aware what is important, so that they can like survive their future, happily, because nowadays no one want to do physical work a lot. Earlier people
Yeah,
used it up earlier. They used to go to do work in farm. After coming from there, they used to do work at home. They rear cattle as well. Still, right now, it is going on. Some person are doing, but not like that. And like right now, everyone wants to do, like easy, comfortable work. So for that,
yeah.
you to do hard work on study, then you can get one comfortable life. And I faced a lot of problem, but I took swear with myself that until or unless I will have not learned this language, I will never skip this. And during this journey I got a lot of catch 22 people. So many people came and they were trying to unmotivate me, but I was obstinate. People used to, instigate me that no, you cannot learn English, you are from here, you
Yeah,
have
it
this,
happens with everyone.
you have a lot of circumstances. So I thought, like, why people, like connect their circumstances, their weaknesses through their, journey dream. Like suppose that I have to become something, right? Suppose that I have to become doctor, right? So why
Yeah.
will connect my circumstances, weakness, problem with my dream? Because I have to overcome out from that. I have to change my life. So if I connect those problems, so I will never overcome out from this problem. So we have to do hard work, so that. And I didn't listen anyone, I did hard work because I had believed that I could do. And
Hmm.
so many people were saying like, why are you learning English, what will happen? It's okay, it will not help me right now, but in upcoming generation probably it could help me. And right now in study it is helping me a lot and a lot. Earlier I used to, like, remember, memorize question answer of the English, but right now, like, by watching one time I can give the answer of any question, and by after reading I can make an answer of any question by myself. So I am getting benefit in study too, I am helping people by connecting as well. So it is not awful thing. If you are learning something, it is good.
Yeah, yeah, it's I think you're because small babies, okay, from their childhood, okay, they listen from their parents, listen from their yeah, any language, not about English. They listen from their parents, they listen from their teachers. It's whatever they just grab through cartoons or TV and mobiles. They just keep on listening. They just keep on hearing those new things and try to repeat or mimic like that, right? And that is how they learn that language. So grammar is not required. Okay, only okay, you just listen to something and then keep on repeating. Repetition is really important, and discipline consistency is really important. First
Yeah,
you gain that confidence really matters, right? After just gaining more confidence, then only you can speak, right? Because even I knew my written communication was really good, right? Okay, not up to the mark, but my spoken communication was not good. I didn't have that confidence to talk. But nowadays, because I just watching so many YouTubers like you or some other YouTubers, there are so many famous YouTubers out there. Okay, and when I just see their journey 2 years back, okay, how they were just speaking and all. So it motivates me, it gives him giving me more confidence, and because of that, I'm able to just make a good conversation nowadays.
yeah, wonderful. Yeah, like if I talk about myself, so I watch still right now cartoon, and after watching, I repeat that. Like, I
Hmm.
try to, like, first of all, suppose that I have watched one cartoon, so I will find out some word which is a
Hmm.
known, and I will write that, and I will make so many sentences, and I do every day. Like I watch cartoon, conversation videos, motivational video, and I find out known word, and I have made one particular notebook for that. So I write
Yeah.
down that, and I make so many sentences through that. And while writing, I try to use that. While speaking, I try to use that word, because I want to make my conversation charming. I want to glamour the people. And suppose that you want to talk with foreigners, right? So they will gonna use a lot of word, unknown word. So if
Yeah.
you know the answer, but you cannot, you are unable to understand, you are unable to catch the meaning, so you will not able to share the opinion on that particular topic. So in such condition, you must have knowledge about vocab. And I was facing a lot of problem when I was beginner in vocab, and due to this reason I couldn't explain my thought as I should. So then I thought, oh my god, what is going with me? If I do like this, then I can never become fluent in English. Then I started working on my vocab too. And it is wonderful because it has given me a lot of opportunity to speak and think as well. If you have more vocabulary, you will think more and more, and if you think more and more, you will gonna become fluent automatically. It is very easy.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Okay, vocabulary is needed, but okay, as a beginner, okay, you must start speaking. Okay, that's really important, right? If you just keep on focusing vocabulary and just thinking that, oh, no, this word is very difficult. Okay, I have to use lots of advanced vocabularies, advanced idioms, and all those things. Then you just get confused and then you give up. So use simple English, like you said that about cartoons and all. I think you're just like a cartoon lover. Even I also like cartoons. Okay, so what kind of cartoons do you watch?
Yeah, I watched Toon Kid, foreigner cartoons. I have gotten two unknown word. First one is swear, and second
Mhm.
one betrayed. And I have also learned two phrases today, like hit the spot. Hit the spot means something which is really good. There was one girl, and she went to market, and she went for shopping. So she saw one a elegant cloth frock. Okay, so she's told to her friend. She went to shopping for with her friend. So she told her friend that, wow, it is hit the spot. So she told, wow, what hit the spot? What is the meaning of hit the spot? So hit the spot means something that is really good. So I have learned so many words today, because today was Sunday. So after doing study, I had time. So I let me learn some wonderful words, vocab. And I have learned, at the front of home we make one road, so that will call driveway. I have learned so many words, new words.
Yeah, yeah. Even nowadays, I'm also learning new idioms. Like when we just start a conversation or when we just start a new activities or something, then we can just say, let's get the ball rolling, right? Or okay, if you when you face new challenges at that point of time, okay, any difficult task, any difficult situation, at that point of time, you can use okay, you need balls of steel, okay, that kind of thing. Okay, so there are so many things I'm just learning, but right now I can't just remember all those things. And because when we have conversation, no, at that point of time, our brain just pops up something, right, and we use it, right. So it's spontaneous. It happens spontaneously. And when we have a good interaction at that point of time, or a good partner to just speak at that point of time, automatically we have really great communication. That is what I just feel, right? So, so since how long have you been just learning this language?
I have been learning this English language for 9 months ago.
9 months ago. So you have started uploading videos since 9 months, or when did you just started your YouTube channel, and what's your channel name?
Yeah, so I have been working on my YouTube channel, I think 7 months, like this, like 7 months. And uh, the name of my YouTube channel is How to Speak in English Language.
Okay, yeah, it's a good thing. So how many videos have you uploaded till now?
I think I have uploaded 600 videos.
Oh wow, 600. It's very huge. Okay. I'm just new and I have just, I think, uploaded around 25 videos. Okay. Because I'm not even getting enough time. Okay. Whenever I just get time, I try to upload. And even my channel name is
Oh,
always positive Ram. where I just try to be more positive and trying to have good optimistic conversation.
Yeah, I also don't get time, but I have to upload video every day one. This
Hmm.
is my, like, daily routine. This is my part of life. Anyhow, it doesn't matter whether I'm exhausted or not. Yesterday, day after yesterday, I was feeling too much sleepy. Although I uploaded one video because I have to do this, because every day you will gonna exhaust. So if you make excuses, so then you can't achieve your goal. If you have goal, then you will have to sacrifice for that. If you not sacrifice, you will never get. So it
Yeah,
was
but
really
see, it depends on okay the kind of activities you're just doing throughout the day, right? Because I'm working as security guard, right? I'm just doing a 12-hour shift and then again 2 hours of traveling, right? Then it becomes really, and I'm just living nearby Mumbai, so here it's too much of traffic and all. I have to just travel a lot, and then doing a 12-hour shift continuously standing for a day, right? It just destroys your total body and all, right? We are not allowed to just sit for a long time, right? And you have to be alert, right? You just can't allow anyone to just pass through. Okay, so that's why you have to be alert and all. So you have to be focused. So lots of energy is required, okay, in our job as well, right? So because of that, okay, body takes a toll. Okay, all such kind of things, and yeah.
understand.
So yeah, so
Okay,
that's why okay, even I also just decided that I should not just give any excuses. But as a human being, it happens. Okay, that okay, if you are not able to just sit and if you are not able to concentrate on the communication, then how can you ask better questions, right? How can you suppose if I am just okay, sitting here, okay, very tired like this, not moving at all, then you are also not interested to talk, right? So you have to be that enthusiastic and fresh, right?
so it was really nice conversation with you, and have a nice day, because I have to do a study as well. So thank you so much for giving me a session.
Yeah. Best of luck. Best of luck for your. Are you preparing for NEET exam right now?
Right now, I have not started the preparation. I'm
Mm-hmm.
studying of class ninth only.
Okay. Fine. Best of luck for your future. And it was a really great talk. And thanks for giving me a valuable time. I'm lucky that I got an opportunity to talk with you.
Yeah, same to you.
Yeah.